Hello, my love. Welcome home. This is Coming Home with Mama T. I'm your host, Tiara, aka T, or as you like to call me, Mama T. On this episode, we are recording a meditation backed up and supported by the new moon in Leo on August 16th, 2023. With this meditation, I set the intention that you have the capacity to create whatever it is that you desire to experience in your life. You are the creator of your extraordinary life. I set the intention that you find the trust and love in yourself for this. In this meditation, we will include affirmations that were brought to me by you inside the manifesting workshop, which will be housed month to month inside the home membership if you would like to take part in hearing your words said in my voice. I invite you to listen to this meditation whenever you want to connect into the frequency for what it is that you desire. You are already the version of you that has everything you need and everything you want. I invite you to sit crisscross applesauce, put your feet flat on the ground, or lay down. Whatever feels comfortable for you to just listen and receive. I invite you, if you are in a safe space, to close your eyes and just allow the space, the words to flow through you. I encourage, if you listen often enough that you can start to memorize the meditation, to say it out loud with me. More voices, more energy is beautiful. It's more support. And I invite us to support one another in living extraordinary lives. To begin, deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. And one more big breath in and a heavy sigh out. Calling in Reiki energy, calling in healing energy, supportive energy to help in bringing forth our desires into the physical form. I am the version of myself that has everything I want and need. What I desire is already mine. I love and I trust myself. I believe in myself, and I know that I receive exactly what I want. I am the me who gets what I want. What I want is already mine. My relationships unfold beautifully and lovingly as I desire. I am deeply connected with those who bring me great joy. I am deeply connected with those reflect love. I feel so loved and so supported by those around me. Romance is all in my life. I feel it every day. I am in my ideal relationship with myself. I am in my ideal relationship with my partner. I have so many ideal relationships with friends and family. My business and my career are thriving. I am in flow and I grow every day. My daily life brings me joy and fulfillment. I am so thankful for the life I get to lead. I am so thankful to be me. I am so thankful for the world and its experiences. I'm thankful for my gifts that I get to share with the world. And I am so thankful for those who receive them. I am thankful for my audience. I am thankful for me. I love me, I see me, I hear me, I trust me. I choose me. And it feels so good. I am so thankful to be at peace, to be fulfilled, to be happy, to find joy all day, every day. I am so thankful for the lessons that come to me, that I get to learn as I grow and expand through this life's journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My investments always come back to me tenfold and greater. I keep growing, and expanding in knowledge and financial well-being, in freedom and peace and love. Clarity is mine. I know what I want and what to do to achieve it. As I move forward, synchronicities show up to help guide me with ease and flow to the next step, the next action, and the next level. I am in flow with my soul, my career, my business is in flow with my soul. And I am in extravagant joy and excitement every day to wake up and pursue my life, my extraordinary life. I am healthy. My mind, body, and spirit are at peace. I move through each day with ease, and it feels so good. I am thankful for this body. I am thankful for my mind and my heart and my soul. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so thankful to be financially abundant and have the ability to bring in what it is that I desire for myself. I know whatever it is that I want, big or small, material or feeling, all flows from me. I am my desire, and it flows to me easily and effortlessly. At this time, I hold space for you to add any other affirmations, points of awareness that you would like to say out loud or say to yourself in this space to help create and step into the version of you that is already experiencing the extraordinary. I am the version of me living out my dream life. My life is extraordinary, and I am so thankful for it. Thank you all so much for listening and tuning in. I invite you to revisit this episode as many times as you need. I invite you to share it with those that you feel it would resonate with. And I say thank you again for listening. If you are not already a part of the home membership, you can visit www.abubbly.life/luxury-living to sign up today. If you sign up before Labor Day, which is September 4th, 2023, you get a 30-minute one-on-one session with me to use as you would like. And with that, I say thank you, my dear friend, and ta-ta for now. Welcome home.